When point A placed in second quadrant, it is clear that point A is placed some distance behind VP and some distance above HP. And the actual point is called capital A, and the projections, orthographic projections of the point A in front view is indicated by A dash on VP, and the orthographic projection of point A in top view is indicated by A on HP. So we are sending a beam of parallel rays from the object to the screen. So we have the image that is view. When we are sending a beam of parallel rays towards the object, an image will be formed on VP that is called A dash in front view. So this is the way the orthographic projections are being generated on HP and VP in front view and in top view. So let us move to the projection. So how it comes, this is the way we are developing, or we are going to draw the projections of the point placed in the second quadrant in a notebook or in a A4 sheet. So we are starting with a reference line XY line, and the front view is at a distance, that distance is indicated by A dash, and that distance is the distance actual point A placed from HP. And coming to the top view, that is point A, and this point A from XY line indicates the distance of actual point A from vertical plane. We know that the point A placed some distance behind VP. That distance is called the distance from XY line to point A. Also, the height from HP to the actual point A indicates the front view and is indicated by A dash from XY line. This is the orthographic projection of a point A placed in second quadrant.